यस शिवरात्रिमा देश विदेशबाट लाखौं भक्तजनहरू र हात समातेर हिँडिदिनु अनुरोध गर्दछु र साथसाथै भक्तजन भएसम्म शिवरात्रि
To be honest, the scenario was actually kind of hectic, to be honest, because there was a very long line. I came here straight from that Gausala, the front gate of Pasupati, and right from there it was like 2-3 kilometers long line, and I was like, I have like 10 minutes of video. That's me recording from the front to the back. Like there are so many people, and like I also like everyone else here started from the last. And it's amazing, like so many people are willing to have this much of patience to, you know, believe in God and be here. It's amazing.
So what do you basically do on the day of Shivaratri, from morning to the evening?
So basically, I mean, religious people do religious things, but I'm not much of a religious person, even though I'm here right now. What I did was I literally played rank all night and haven't slept all night. And I'm right here just for the sake of it, just for the pure vibes, I guess.
So what do you believe that people keep fast on Shivaratri, on the day of Shivaratri? So you also paid a visit to the temple here.
Yes.
So what was your what did you ask the God for?
So I mean, I asked nothing, to be honest. Like just I'm here for the vibes, absorbing all the holy energy. And let's see how it goes. Like I don't have anything to ask specific from the God, especially Lord Shiva or any God. But to be honest, yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing. I have like nothing to ask from God. I'm just here for the energy, the pure energy. You know, I'm kind of an atheist myself, but seeing a lot of believers here, even though I'm not one of them, it's like changing. It changes your perspective.
र हात समातेर हिँडिदिनु अनुरोध गर्दछु र साथसाथै